Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Conferences, when they are a dutiful tribute to the theme or a character, proceed with the weight of something that is done a bit by force. The days of spirituality of the Salesian family give a completely different impression. They are taking place in Turin, Valdoco in the name of a lightness of manner that does not detract from the effectiveness of listening. And this is not only to give true to the title assigned to the strain of the Rector Major, do everything for love, nothing for strength, but because the person put at the center of the meeting is Saint Francis de Sales, a champion of friendship and sweetness. Vania de Luca Vaticanista of the Rai News faced the first step, that of a saint elected as patron of communicators. The creativity that Saint Francis de Sales had in a hostile and time and context in the face of new problems that challenged the church and the world did not produce all answers, but communicated the faith through the new media of that time to heal religious and political fractures in Europe in search of peace. The Salesian centers that provide students with vocational training have demonstrated once again all their strength and vitality. To testify to this is the latest convocation of the Spanish Ministry of Education, which sees a dozen of these centers among the chosen to develop national innovation projects in the field of vocational training, projects to be carried out in collaboration with other centers and agents of the business world. In total, the ministerial convocation lists 141 initiatives, and Salesian professional formation representatives are involved in more than 10 of them. All 141 selected initiatives will benefit from a budget of 23.8 million euros coming from Chapter 20 of the Recovery, Transformation and Resilience Plan, and will involve more than 600 realities including CFPs, companies and other organizations related to vocational training throughout the country. The parish St. James in Chimis, a village in Zambia, can now boast and make available to the local population a new well that draws clean water, a water tank over 7 meters high, a solar-powered pump and a network of pipes inside its premises. All this has been possible thanks to the solidarity commitment of Salesian Mission, the Salesian Missionary Procuratorate of New Rochelle in the United States, which this year celebrates its 75 years of service to the needy all over the world. Chimis is a large village inhabited by about 6,500 people, but the parish dedicated to St. James extends its territory over 15 other surrounding villages, whose citizens will also use the water of the new pump. In addition, it should be considered that more than 500 people attend the parish on Sundays, and that in the complex there's also a kindergarten that welcomes about 200 children, most of whom are orphans or children of single mothers. In Ukraine, in Zhytomyr, a city of almost 3 lakh inhabitants, 110 kilometers west of Kiev, since September 1994, the Vysestet school has been located. It was built thanks to the interest of some Italian benefactors who, during a trip to the countries of the former USSR, decided to give a concrete response to the appeal of a group of citizens eager to open a Christian school. That school, for almost 2 years and after several years of cooperation and preparation, has become Salesian, and now the sons of Don Bosco, who animate it, intend to combine the educational center with another typically Salesian structure and oratory. Going to the roots, in a physical and moral sense, this is the proposal that the participants in the Day of Spirituality of the Salesian family underway in Turin collected and live on the morning of Friday, January 14, with the pilgrimage to the Valdoco area. The immersion to the roots was completed in the meeting with Saint Francis de Sales in the Eucharistic celebration dedicated to him. Father Stefano Martocchio, vicar of the Rector Major, underlined in his homily the school of sweetness that emanates from knowledge with the Holy Bishop and from confidence with him. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.